So hi guys, so this is now the tutorial for azimuthal to quadrantal. So how do we solve this? No, but blurred. So for us to solve azimuthal to quadrantal, first we will plot the strike. Uh, our strike is this one, the 80 degrees. So from here we will plot the strike, which is 80. So around here. Then para malaman natin ang true dip direction ng ating azimuthal, we will incorporate right-hand rule. So right-hand rule, if we will put this, our right hand in this strike, we can say na ang true dip, okay, right-hand rule na, imagine, magana ko. Itong butang ko. Pag ibutang na kong kumot sa anin na strike, ang iyahang dip is padulong diri So, ibig sabihin, our uh, our dip direction is southeast. If ma-determine na nato ang ato ang dip direction, we can now directly plot it since 90, 80 lang man siya, so wala siya nag-exceed of 90, so no need for any conversion. So, diretso na siya. So, since nasa sa quadrant where it is north and east, so it will be north 80 east since nasa sa northeast. Then ang atuang dip is 70. So as is na siya. 70 degrees. Now, our dip direction will be southeast. Gets? Okay. Next problem. For our next problem, we have 79 for our strike and 67 for our dip. So, first, we will plot 79. So, nasa dito pita. Let's assume lang 79. Dili ko perfect mag-draw. So, let's apply right-hand rule. And we will have a dip direction going here. Padulong diri So, ibig sabihin, ang ating true dip direction is going southeast. So, we already have our true dip direction. So, now, since we already have the values, we will now convert it into quadrantal. So, since asa man na 79, di ba na-address sa northeast banda? So, it will be north 79 east. Then, ato ang dip is 67, as is na because that's the angle. And our dip direction is southeast. Gets? Gets. Now, number 3. We have 15 degrees and 30. So, same lang kanina. Plot 15. So, this is 15. Okay. If we apply right-hand rule, ang true dip direction niya is padulong diri which is still southeast. Southeast, di ba? Southeast. Diba southeast? So, since nakuha na nato ang true dip direction, pwede na to siya i-turn into azimuth, ay quadrantal. So, since 15 lang man siya, wala siya na-exceed sa 90, that's north. Nasa man siya sa nasa sa northeast, right? So, north 50 east, then 30 degrees, which is the deep angle, and ang direction niya is southeast. Next, 75. So, how do we plot? Still the same. Plot siya. 75, that's 75. If mag right-hand rule ta, ang yung deep direction goes here. goes here. Diba? And if we look, ang dip direction niya, southeast. And since wala naman na-exceed sa value, ang atong values of 90, diretso na. North, 75, east. Nga no north 75 east, kaya naman siya sa northeast na boundary or na area. And yan, dip, same lang. Ating direction is southeast. And last but not least, our 55 for strike and 45 for dip. This is our Cartesian plane. Let's plot 55. Let's plot 55. So this is 55. If we apply right hand rule, our true dip direction dips over here. Diba? So pag mag-dip siya diri, it goes southeast. So mauna ang atong true dip direction. Since wala na easy to 55, let's now directly convert it into azimuthal, quadrantal. So northeast man siya, no? So north 55, east, our dip angle is 45 still, and ang dip direction is southeast. Now, question, what if ang atong given is nag-exceed sa 90? So, let's say, maghanap ko ng given. Let's say, 175. 175, and our dip is like around 45. This is the angle only, So, how do we solve for this? First, Cartesian plane pa rin. Saan ba banda ang ating 175? Diba? This is 90, 180, and 270. So, this is 180, diba? 180. So, let's just assume that this is 175. No? That's at 175. Tapos, what is the next thing to do? We will apply right-hand rule. So, if you apply right-hand rule, the true dip direction is going here. Saan na siya banda? Nasa southwest. So, we have an initial true dip direction which is southwest na. Now, how will we turn this from azimuthal to quadrantal? So, asan ba siya nag-lie, banda? Diba sa southeast? So, south, how do we get this value? Pa magkuha tag value, dili padulong diri ha. Padulong from mugikan ta sa south, padulong sa west. I mean sa east. Basta pag mag-measure kag angle, dili siya gikan dire, padulong dire, kundi gikan dire, padulong diri So murag gikan sa south, padulong sa either west or east. Okay? Same goes with north. Pag mag-measure ka from north, padulong west or north, padulong east. Okay? So since this is 175, right? This is 175. How do we get this value? So for us to get that value, we will subtract 180. Kay ang values man kani and kani. So we will subtract that with 180. So that's at least 5 degrees. 5 degrees. Then since naman siya sa eastern part, south 5 east. Then ang atong deep angle as is lang, our true dip direction will be southwest. Okay? Another one. What if it's, let's say, 289? Our strike is 289 and our dip is 20 degrees. That's just the angle. So, let us create a Cartesian plane. 289, let's put 289. Saan ba banda 289? If this is 270, around here siguro on 289. Yeah. So that's 289. We will apply right-hand rule after. So our true dip direction is approximately padulong diri So nasa northeast. So nanatay through deep direction which is northeast. Now, how will we convert 289 to azimuthal? So this is 289, right? This is 289. How will we get this value? Since this value man natong ginapangita, we will subtract it with 270. This one, 270. Okay, kung 360 man good, dapat kanina value ang ginapangita, okay? So, 270. Okay? So, always remember, basta ka to. So, since diri man siya, minusan lang na to siya 270. Okay? So, from our 289 minus 270, wait lang. 289 minus 270, that's 19 degrees. So, that's 19. This one is 19 degrees. So, mauna na atong i-plot diri wait. No. No. Let's do this again. Dapat pa north from west eh. Okay, never mind. Okay, blot na ako sa para dili mo maglibog. 89. This is 289, di ba? Dapat kanina itong i-plot. Okay, from north to west, di ba? Kung gingon. As always, 289. So, dili siya i-subtract og 270 but rather tama itong 360. Minusan mo siya 360 para makuha ni mo ni na angle. Okay? So, from 289 minus 360, or this is 71. Ay, 71 degrees 33%. 360. Okay, clarification na. Pag magkuha mong value, dapat gikan sa north. Ang akong nakuha na value is from west to east, which is wrong. Dapat north to west. Okay? So, since para makuha na to ni na value, i-minus na to siya sa 360. So, ato ang azimuthal na, I mean, the quadrantal is north. Naman siya sa north, right? Asar siya dapit sa may west. And ang ating angle is 71. Our deep angle still the same. Gets? Okay, bye.